Ride Radar here, and today we're taking a close look at the all-new 2026 Lexus NX, a vehicle that's shaking up the luxury compact SUV segment. Lexus has long been synonymous with comfort, reliability, and refined style, but the 2026 NX takes things to the next level, delivering bold design, advanced technology, and impressive performance all in one sleek package. If you're in the market for a luxury SUV that makes a statement while offering top-notch features, this is one model you definitely need to know about. We're going to cover everything from its exterior styling and interior luxury to performance, pricing, and overall value, so you get the full picture of what makes the NX such a compelling choice. Exterior. Looking at the front of the 2026 NX, the first thing that grabs your attention is Lexus' signature spindle grille, which has been completely reimagined for a sharper, more aggressive appearance. It immediately signals that this isn't just another luxury SUV, it's confident, modern, and athletic. Flanking the grille are sleek LED headlights that extend into the sculpted hood, creating a cohesive and aerodynamic look. Inside the headlight units, you'll notice intricate detailing that elevates the premium feel, and below, the lower bumper features a wide air intake with subtle chrome accents, adding both style and functionality. Fog lights are cleanly integrated, ensuring the front fascia feels purposeful without being overly busy. The overall impression is bold yet refined, giving the NX a strong presence whether it's parked or moving down the road. From the side, the NX reveals a coupe-like silhouette thanks to a gently sloping roofline that adds motion even when the SUV is still. Strong character lines along the doors emphasize the muscular stance, while the slightly flared wheel arches accommodate larger alloy wheels that balance sportiness and elegance. Side mirrors are aerodynamically designed with integrated turn signals, and in higher trims, flush door handles lend a futuristic, seamless look. The proportions are well thought out, striking a balance between a sporty profile and the sophistication expected from a premium SUV. It's a side view that signals capability and style, perfect for urban streets or winding country roads. Turning to the rear, the NX continues its modern and distinctive aesthetic. Sharp LED taillights stretch across the back and are connected by a thin light strip on the tailgate, emphasizing width and stability. A smoothly integrated rear spoiler adds a touch of sportiness and aerodynamic efficiency, while the rear bumper features subtle chrome detailing around dual exhaust outlets, hinting at performance without being overbearing. A power liftgate comes standard, with hands-free operation available on higher trims, making loading and unloading cargo effortless. The rear design maintains the premium feel established by the front and sides, ensuring the NX looks balanced and aggressive from every angle. Interior. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 NX is where luxury meets technology in a truly refined way. Lexus has redesigned the interior to prioritize driver comfort and intuitive usability. The seats are plush, available in premium leather, with multiple adjustments including heating, ventilation, and even massage functions on top trims. The dashboard flows seamlessly, featuring soft-touch materials and subtle metallic accents that enhance the premium atmosphere. The infotainment system takes center stage with a large touchscreen supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Lexus' proprietary interface, now faster and more responsive than ever. A fully digital instrument cluster is customizable to suit the driver's preferences, displaying essential information clearly. Ambient lighting adds a cozy, modern ambience, while a panoramic sunroof available on select trims provides an airy feel. Thoughtful storage solutions and a versatile rear cargo area make the cabin practical, proving that luxury doesn't have to come at the expense of everyday usability. Performance-wise, the 2026 NX delivers multiple options to suit different driving preferences. The turbocharged four-cylinder engine offers brisk acceleration, smooth power delivery, and agile handling, perfect for city streets and highway cruising alike. Hybrid variants combine efficiency with surprising power, leveraging instant electric to work for a responsive, fuel-efficient drive. The suspension balances comfort and control, soaking up bumps while maintaining composure in corners. Steering is precise, braking is confident, and the all-wheel drive system with selectable drive modes ensures adaptability in various conditions from rain-slick city streets to winding mountain roads. The NX blends efficiency, performance, and driving enjoyment, making it a versatile option for both daily commutes and spirited drives. Pricing for the 2026 NX is competitive within the luxury compact SUV segment. The base model provides an impressive array of standard features at a reasonable starting price, while higher trims introduce advanced technology, premium materials, and additional performance enhancements. Hybrid variants carry a slight premium but compensate with excellent fuel economy and long-term savings. Lexus also offers comprehensive warranties and roadside assistance, emphasizing peace of mind for buyers. Considering the level of luxury, technology, and driving capability, the NX represents solid value, appealing to those seeking a premium SUV experience without venturing into the highest price tiers. In conclusion, the 2026 Lexus NX is a standout in the luxury compact SUV market, successfully combining bold styling, a refined interior, advanced technology, and enjoyable driving dynamics. It balances elegance with sportiness, making it a compelling option for drivers who want both luxury and capability. The NX is versatile enough to appeal to traditional luxury buyers while attracting a younger audience looking for style, efficiency, and modern tech features. From its striking exterior and comfortable interior to its responsive performance and thoughtful features, this SUV delivers on multiple fronts. The 2026 NX doesn't just transport you, it elevates the driving experience, showing that Lexus continues to innovate and refine its offerings. For anyone searching for a luxury compact SUV that offers sophistication, practicality, and excitement, the 2026 Lexus NX deserves serious consideration. It's a vehicle designed to impress in every way, delivering a premium experience that's hard to match in its class.